With workers travelling to remote sites and between client projects, managing their safety can be near impossible. You find yourself jumping in and out of individual calendars and travel itineraries, or waiting on a call from your worker to confirm their safe arrival, if they remember to call. If something were to go wrong, how much time would pass until you knew about it? How long would your worker be stuck in a dangerous position, and would you even know their location? With Jessie's Journey Management module, you can keep your people safe no matter where they are. The solution provides complete visibility of worker movements in a centralised dashboard, with the ability to provide real-time emergency responses if something goes wrong. Ensure your workers are fit to drive and the conditions are safe before anyone gets behind the wheel. Confirm your workers' safety throughout the journey with periodic check-ins and scheduled reminders. Decrease emergency response time with our automated escalation process that notifies managers if a worker fails to check in. Maintain visibility of workers in out-of-coverage areas with satellite and GPS device integrations. See how our solution can transform the way you look after your employees. Schedule a demo today.